For professionals and enthusiasts in fields requiring precise temperature measurement and diagnostics, the MILESEEY TR256E TR256B Thermometer is a powerful tool. Available on Aliexpress, this advanced thermometer boasts high-resolution imaging and versatile functionality, making it indispensable for tasks such as PCB repair, floor heating detection, and high-temperature tracking. The MILESEEY TR256E TR256B features a 256 by 190 high-resolution thermal sensor. This provides incredibly detailed thermal images, allowing you to accurately identify temperature variations and hot spots. The high resolution is particularly beneficial for tasks that require fine detail, such as PCB repair, where pinpointing specific components is crucial. This thermometer is designed for high-temperature tracking, capable of accurately measuring and displaying temperature variations across a wide range. Whether you're monitoring industrial equipment, conducting energy audits, or troubleshooting heating systems, the MILESEEY TR256E TR256B delivers precise and reliable readings. For electronics professionals, the MILESEEY TR256E TR256B is an invaluable tool for PCB repair. The high-resolution thermal imaging allows you to detect overheating components, identify soldering issues, and ensure that repairs are effective. This level of precision helps prevent further damage and improves the reliability of electronic devices. Installing or repairing floor heating systems can be challenging without the right tools. The MILESEEY TR256E TR256B simplifies this process by providing clear thermal images of the heating elements under the floor. This allows you to verify the correct operation of the system, identify any malfunctions, and ensure even heat distribution for optimal comfort.